Hi everyone, since we are a bit busy right now preparing today's dive and water samplings, I'm gonna leave you with Marianne, who will explain you a couple of things regarding sunfish. Bye bye!
Hi, my name is Marianne Nygaard and I'm a marine biologist. For the last 6 years or so I've been studying the sunfish found in Lombok Strait between the islands of Bali and Lombok. The species found here is called the bumphead sunfish, or Mola alexandrini in Latin. It's the world's heaviest bony fish and can reach lengths of over 3 meters and weigh more than 2 tons. The Bali sunfish are famous among scuba divers because seasonally every year they come into the shallow reefs of Bali and the small island group of Nusa Penida to interact with cleaner fishes to have skin parasites removed from their skin. And this is very important for them because they have really high parasite loads. My research suggests that the strong seasonality of the Bali sunfish is likely linked to the cold water upwelling that occurs seasonally along the southern coastline of the island group that Bali and Lombok are part of. During this time, cold water brings with it nutrients to surface waters, causing an increase in primary productivity. And this likely also causes an increase in abundance of the prey items of the sunfish. I'm really excited to see what Alex and his dive team will find during their exciting upcoming expedition. I'm especially keen to see if they'll encounter sunfish during this time of year, which is outside the main season, and if the sunfish down there are seeking cleaner fish interactions. Because if they are, it may mean that they're in the area year-round and that they just avoid the warm surface water this time of year in the Lombok Strait.